What's up guys, Javier from That Racing Channel. We're here at FL 2K18 and we're here with Chris's 1975 280Z, and this thing is so beautiful. Let's take a look. What's up my man? She's looking good. Go ahead and start her up for us. Clean. Beautiful car. You mind popping the hood? Interior shot. It's a little tight in here, so we'll give you a shot before we go for a ride. Very clean, very simple. Alright guys, so we're on an FL 2K18. We're here with Chris, and it's absolutely gorgeous 1975 280Z. What's going on, my man? Thanks for taking me for a spin.
Appreciate it. Appreciate the time.
Definitely, man. So give us a rundown on the build.
So car's always been an LS2 swap for the longest time, about since 09. Just recently, before my dad passed away, we went ahead and we did a 5.3 iron block, 4th gen, stock rods, stock pistons, gapped, ARP main studs, rod bolts, head studs. So just a strong 5.3, big cam, 243 heads, LS2 top end still. So pretty basic setup, pump gas. Right now she's like, I think for the video, I think we're at like 11, 13 PSI. Could be a little bit more, but she's making around 750 as it sits. So fun little car, nothing super crazy or nothing.
These things are light, so
yeah,
that amount of power goes a long way.
Yeah, she's she rips hard, she rips back.
Turbo hanging off the back there. I shouldn't say little. Yeah, just a big turbo hanging off the back there. What size turbo?
Just 72 mil. So it's a rear mount turbo, single gate, twin scroll 72. So yeah, that's about it for the turbo setup. Chinese little eBay turbo, nothing crazy. Chinese blow-off valve, wastegate. You know, weekend warrior car.
Enough to get it done.
Enough to get it done. Works good. Setup works good. So
that's awesome.
That's all we needed. You know.
What transmission is it running?
This is a 06 GTO trans, so it's a 256 Tremec, 6-speed car, so nothing crazy there. Stock 256, LS7 clutch, spec flywheel, and a simple street setup.
That's pretty simple build.
Yeah, no, it's very, I mean, compared to everything nowadays, I mean, it's very, you know, here and there, nothing too crazy, but it gets down for what it is.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
is still stock ECU. Chris Henry Motorsports, check him out. That's our guy. He's been the best tuner anybody's ever gonna get. He's got everything done through the HP tuners on the stock ECU. So
How long have you had the car?
so we've had the car since like 2000 and I want to say 2004, 2005. So back when I was still in elementary school, like 3rd, 4th grade, we had a silver ZX, right? A T-top silver ZX. That plate in the back that says Wolf 280Z. I have one that says Chris 280ZX, and it was on the front of the car for the longest. And you know, Dad always said, when you get to high school and you grow up, it's gonna be your car. Well, that was short-lived. He sold it to a good friend of ours. Broke it to me. I was about like maybe 8 or 9. Hey, we're gonna go pick up our new Z, your new Z, when it's gonna be your car. Go to get this thing. Black stripes, 383 small block, carb rated. I mean, I drove home with my feet on the dash. There was a big hole in the floor. It was a rust bucket, man. Like if you go to Cabron Garage Instagram on our Instagram, you'll see all the before and afters. And I mean, it wasn't until like a couple months back that I was like, wow, I don't even know why we bought it at that time. But,
wow, man, well, it's come a long way.
It was LS2. We did LS2 swap before that was really a thing back in like 08, 09. So I mean, it was just a basic intake exhaust LS2 for the longest. So it wasn't until maybe 2015 that we went back and rebound turboed it again, and got it to where it is today. So
Awesome, man. Awesome. You guys did a hell of a job rebuilding this thing.
yeah,
You guys did it all yourselves?
all ourselves, all Wolf, man. My dad was a legendary guy around here, man. Anybody from Tampa, anybody around here who's been around or knows the car, they'll tell you. But whatever he had to do in the garage, he didn't paint. So the paint we didn't do, but everything else was all him. I had my hand in it to help out, but this is his toy.
Well, respect on that, man.
Yeah.
It's always nice to see the guys wrenching on the cars themselves,
Yeah, I'm just happy that we made it out to FL2K this year. Car's never been able to make it, so
We've been trying to set this feature up for quite a while.
been some months.
We got in touch with you a couple months ago, and
Yeah,
it finally happened, man.
Yeah.
So happy to be here.
yeah, same. Watching down on us, hope you're proud. So,
Appreciate you giving me the opportunity to feature this thing, man.
Appreciate letting me share the story with the world, man.
Absolutely.
Thanks, guys.
Guys, it's been an absolute blast. FL2K18. We'll see you next year.